Good morning, Oostburg Concrete. My message is on part 2, working safely with concrete. We finished last week with talking about lifting and how critical it is. All right? Just understanding that we need to be versatile, durable, economical, taking a few precautions. And that's where I want to start, where we left off. One of the safest building materials known, relatively few people involved in mixing, handling, and finishing concrete have experienced injury. Outlined below, we're going to talk about some of the simple suggestions to protect, prevent, and common sense approaches. All right? But remember, if in doubt, get help. When we lift, keep our hands close to our body, lift with our legs. Head and back as straight as we can. Eyes and head. I notice for some reason we're not always wearing our PPE. The equipment and tools represent constant potential hazards, busy construction personnel. And I see that. We're very busy. Why hard hats are required? Because under the federal standard, it means we need to wear them. All right? It's therefore recommended that we have a hard hat of some sort on, whether the type of work we're doing is large or small. Proper eye protection. It's essential because we're working with concrete. Eyes are particularly vulnerable, blowing dust, spattering concrete, other foreign objects. And some jobs, it may be advisable to wear a full cover goggle in addition to our safety glasses and side shields. Always be protecting our back. Always. Let mechanical equipment do the work for you. All right? No jumping, leaping, whatever. Sometimes when we have holes that are open. Protect the skin. When working with fresh concrete, we need to protect skin from irritation and chemical burns. All right? And how fresh concrete can affect the skin. Abrasive sand, if you will, contained in fresh concrete, abrasive to the bare skin. Basic and Portland cement is alkaline in nature, so wet. Keep it wet. Caustic concrete, other cement mixtures are strongly basic, pH of 12 to 13. Strong bases like strong acids are harmful and caustic to the skin, so we got to be aware of that. Clothing worn as protection from fresh concrete should not be allowed to become saturated with moisture from fresh concrete because saturated clothing can transmit alkaline. Waterproof gloves along with long sleeve shirt or long pants. All right? If you must stand in fresh concrete while being placed, shredded, screeded, or floated, or wearing rubber boots, high enough to prevent concrete from getting into them. The best way to avoid skin irritation, wash frequently. All right, neutral soap and water. Waterproof pads, all right, should be also between concrete surfaces. Whether it's covering our knees, elbows, hands, protect the body during finishing operations. Eyes and skin that come in contact, all right, with fresh concrete should be flushed thoroughly. Don't hesitate to flush. That's my message for the week. Have a great and safe week.